Abrolhos region is the most biodiverse area in the entire southern Atlantic.
We have the largest coral reefs in Brazil. We have 11,000 hectares of mangroves and a very important area for humpback whales.
Abrolhos is the main breeding and calving ground of humpback whales in the western South Atlantic.
Preservation of this area really depends on the collaboration of many different organizations.
Due to the connectivity of all the marine life, we have to work for the protection of the coral reefs, of fish, marine turtles, and the whale as part of one important ecosystem.
The estuary is a critical part in the Abrolhos region. It functions as a nursery. The river connects with the sea. This area is a corridor used by marine life going from the estuary to the reefs. It's important for sustaining most of the population in this entire region. We collaborate with international organizations such as UNESCO and local partners such as fisheries associations. And using our knowledge, we can design marine protected areas.
This is the entire Abrolhos region. Here we have the mangroves, and here all the reefs where no-take zones were implemented, and the fish are reproducing and spilling over to other areas outside where fishermen are catching more fish.
Eu acharia que deveria ter essa reserva para poder proteger mais o que inclusive a sobrevivência nossa aqui é esta.
By using traditional methods for fishing, for collecting crabs and shrimps, the local communities are really contributing to the conservation of this area.
We estimated along the Brazilian coast more than 9,000 humpback whales, of which 85% in the Abrolhos Bank. We take photographs to study migrations. We share our photo identification with many organizations worldwide. We had a match of an animal from Abrolhos Bank with the same animal in Madagascar. It is a record of the migration of a marine mammal. We collect biopsy samples for genetic analysis and the analysis of contaminants. The most important thing we do is to use the scientific research to contribute to the national policies to improve the conservation in Brazil. We work to warrant that commercial whaling never return to Brazilian waters or to any ocean of the world.
The ocean is a big place and it's difficult to enforce rules, so you need to find win-wins between people and nature.
When we arrived here in Abrolhos 14 years ago, we had only the Abrolhos National Park. Now we have 3 times the area of protection.
The teamwork in Abrolhos is a good example of how connectivity between organizations can help conservation.
Without the collaboration of these organizations, the challenge of protecting this entire Abrolhos region would be impossible.